The Committee on Industry continues public hearing on budget defense on agencies and institutions under its purview, with the quizzing of the acting MD of the Bank of Industry at the National Assembly complex. The committee chairman in his address harped on the aim of the hearing, which is to appraise the performance of the bank in subsequent years with the aim of approving its 2017 budget.
The proposed budget for a particular year, in this case the year 2017, then the next thing which will happen is to interact with the chief executives and their management team in order to know the proposals they have for the year, and then in the same manner also to request from them to inform the committee as regards to the various achievements they have been able to record for the outgoing year, in this case the year 2016.
The acting MD of BOI said the bank is determined to help chart the way to economic recovery, and in that regard have identified areas of interest like agriculture and solid minerals to make the vision a reality.
So we are trying to promote companies that will ensure self-sustenance, especially in the area of food security. We should be able to feed ourselves by processing our agricultural produce. So we are according a lot of priority to agriculture, because we are able to feed ourselves, we also be able to export. So which leads to the third developmental impact that we look at, ability to generate foreign exchange.
He stressed further that the 2017 budget proposal as presented is to fund the SMEs and make it the driver of the nation's economy as it's done in other developing countries.
The annual lending to SMEs, average annual lending to SMEs was 1.8 billion. But in 2015, we came up to 5.6 billion, which was a 205% increase over lendings on previous years. And we're glad to report that that trend continued in 2016. That was why we were able to increase our disbursements by 42% from 5.6 billion in 2015 to 8.2 billion in 2016. And we hope to continue doing so in 2017.
The committee, having studied the BOI budget proposal for 2017, called for more information from the management of the Bank of Industry on the proposed project it intends to execute in the budget, as it went into executive session to trash out grey areas in the proposal submitted by the BOI management. Emmanuel Ehijene, PTV News, Abuja.